Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet.
Hey guys, Shrikar from SAPP Coding Tutorials here, and I'm back, and today I am reviewing a app on the Microsoft Store for Windows 10, and this app is Honey. Honey is basically an app which helps you find discounts on products by automatically applying coupons for you when you need it. As you can see from this trailer, this person, they just saved $25 on these headphones. And just to clarify, we are not sponsored by Honey. I'm sure you have seen people that were sponsored by Honey. We are just here to just review it. So, the Honey app has 4.5 stars out of 188 reviews, and it's an extension for Microsoft Edge, and you can get it on PC. This thing basically helps you save money, and it's fairly helpful. Although the one you get off the Windows Store is for Microsoft Edge, there is a Chrome extension, as you can see here. I'm not sure about Firefox and Opera. So to get the Chrome extension, you go to honey.com, and let's see, Honey. Dang it, hold on. Honey. Yep, there we go. Sorry, join honey.com. And then from here, you want to sign up, and then it'll give you a link to extension it. And as for me, I already have a membership with them. So, well, not really a membership. I just have it done. I already have it. I'll show you Honey in action. Let's say I wanted to go buy something on Target. So let's say I wanted to buy a new microphone. So mic, and let's see, I'm not actually going to buy a microphone, but so let's say there's this $10.99 microphone, and then I add to cart, and then I view cart and check out. So let's fly over to the cart, please. This is target.com. Let us go to the cart. And now in the cart, now Honey automatically pops up and shows me that there were 10 coupons. And now it's going to automatically try to find the best coupon by applying all of them and seeing which coupon might save me some money. Now, it looks like Honey was able to find... Oh, I see. So, in this case... Okay, well, as you can see here, it appears that Honey is not working. That if Honey does not work, that means you may be getting the best price. So that did not work. Well, let's see. Instead of Target, let's go to a website where it guarantees that it has some coupons. Let's go. Okay, so Honey. Okay, Macy's. So 25% off Black Friday in July. Okay, so Macy's has a discount. Although Honey didn't work for Target, I did use it before. It actually works in some cases. Let's say in Macy's I wanted a pillow. Let's see. Okay. And now here we have these nice Ralph Lauren logo pillows. And then I want to add this to bag. Alright, and now view bag and checkout. Okay, now let's see if Honey found any coupons for me. Okay, so Honey found some coupons. Let's apply them. So now, okay, it tested the coupons. And continue to check out. So it looks like this also has no coupons. So yeah, it looks like the app Honey just doesn't work as well as you'd want to. It does help sometimes, but it's not as reliable, and you're better off using something like Groupon. So, thanks for watching, and have a great day, everyone.
But before I end this video, I'd like to introduce you to the SAPP Coding Tutorials Patreon page. Patreon is a platform in which you can support your favorite YouTubers or creators and also, get rewards from them. For example, for $1 a month, we will give you early content and give you sort of like a VIP status. It really helps us get better equipment, etc. Do consider donating. I'll have the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.